Nick here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Got a super nice 2016 Harley Davidson Sportster 883 Iron. Real tough looking little bike, good beginner bike. It's got the flat black, the denim black paint. Got the blacked out engine as well. It's a 883cc fuel injected V-twin with a 5-speed transmission. It's got mid controls for a sporty ride. Upgraded slip-on muffler. Gives it a nice sound. It's also got an upgraded seat for the driver. A lot more comfortable than the factory seat. Set up for a solo rider, so this one doesn't have passenger pegs or a passenger seat. It's one of our certified pre-owned motorcycles. So we do a multi-point inspection, test ride it, make sure everything's working correctly, and then we give it a professional detail. It's got low miles. Tires are basically brand new, front and rear. We really like the tank graphics, the eagle. Looks like it might have some upgraded mirrors. Let's go ahead and confirm these miles. We'll see what it sounds like. 2,177. Bike runs great, no scratches, rock chips, no cosmetic issues, just a super clean sporty. If you'd like to know more about it, you can contact our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151, or you can check out our website at cleanharleys.com and see our full inventory. We offer excellent finance and extended warranty options. Take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes all around the world. So it'd be real easy to get this one to you. This is Nick with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. The freedom to choose.